Hey, hello, good morning, guys, and this is Coding with Gautam. And guys, today we're going to do the level Crag tag. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. And just some notes. I did this in JavaScript, but I'm doing it in Python. So, yep, Crag tag. Use your best boots to catch up to Pender's spellbane. Arguments, basic syntax, if statements, variables, and while loops. So let's play. Okay, just some normal gear. And next time, make sure to get your best boots on. And you can even buy some from the store. And I'm just gonna equip my 2 meters per second boots of leaping. You can go down. And this has 2 meters per second. It minus 2 meters per second. You can like see if you type of boot 2.5. Wow, softened leather boots. You can like I'm just buying these boots now. These are fast and I need fast in some levels. So I'm looking for my softened leather boots. I just not purchase them. Wait a minute. Let me just check if my purchase made it through. Yes, they deducted the 100. I don't see any softened leather boots. Wait, what? Come on! How is it locked? God, they don't allow boots faster than. Wait a minute. Do they only allow boots to move? This has move. This has move. Oh, they don't have move. That's why. Okay, but these are still fast. These are the fastest boots to move on. It has all the functions you need and it's fast. If you want to go more fast, you have to sacrifice some things. So that's it. Okay, so let's begin. You don't need that much OP gear. All that counts is the boots and you're not going to fight. Okay, catch up this Pender Smellbane. Move is different from moveXY. Move has a single argument instead of moveXY. Okay. So you have to move to the pose. So normally in moveXY you have to go like moveXY.pose.x and pose.y. But instead of taking the pose.x and pose.y, the move function automatically takes it and it's like move pose, whatever pose instead of same thing. Look, see. Moving to the coin's position can go like move.coin pose. So move to the coin's position instead of moveXY. So it has XY in it, this moveXY function. So it needs the X and the Y. This is useful. This is useful if you want to move to a certain place. Like if you want to move to 57, 52, this is useful. But if you want to move to like a certain thing, so like move hero.pose, enemy.pose, friend.pose, item.pose. So those things will already have it built in the code inside this game, and you can just easily use them. So finally, moveXY moves until the destination is reached. Okay, so even if your enemy poses change, it won't automatically turn to the enemy, it will just go there. Move only moves a single step towards the target destination. So move, for example, you want to grab a potion on the way you move, okay? You can't do that because moveXY just makes it come there. If you do move, it will just take a step, each step. So it'll just move one post. So you can just catch up and just get it. So it will save you some lines of code. Okay, so now let's do this. So now I'll show you the difference. Okay, this is moveXY. moveXY, pender.pose.x, pender.pose.y. Okay, you see that? You click this. Look, see, he isn't moving. He's only moving to his pose at different times. Look, see, move to his pose. He's already gone by then. See, it only takes the pose he was in when you looked in. For example, you take his pose. Okay? He was there when you looked at his pose. He'll only go there. He'll not go after him. Now, let's see what happens to the move function. It will change for every single step he has. So, look, see. Pender.pose. Okay, now you click right. Okay, look, see. It'll like look at his every single move and then we'll catch him. it looks at because that you got me good. Okay, this is just one line of code, but this can help you a lot in future levels. This can help you save code. This can help you save time. This can help you save space. And this can help you save time. I think I already said that, but this is actually a very good command. Okay, you saw the difference. It's tracking him every single step he moves. So moveXY, it just looked at him over here. Okay, he was at 48. That's it. Even if he moves a million blocks away, he'll only go to 48. But move, after each step, he moves one step, track, one step, track, one step, track. It tracks him every single step. You can even look at that. See, you can see red dots everywhere. That counts. Okay, so let's change to moveXY. Let's change to moveXY. Okay, let's see, moveXY. Dotted counts where you move, and the red dot is where you want to move. Okay, you move there. Okay, you can't get there, that's the problem. Okay, look, see. He moves there, but it doesn't track him like every step. Okay, wait, I'll just copy this. And here, move, pose. Wait, pender dot pose. Okay, so now you click run. See, the red dots are telling you where he wants to move, and he tracks Pender with every single step he takes, and then it catches him. So yeah, so he catches him, he traces every single step. That is one of the big advantages of Crag Tag. It teaches you about the move command and how it can help you. Okay. Yep, so let's just do Slalom and we'll end the video. Okay. So Slalom uses move 2, so I can't use my leather boots yet. It's still restricted. But I am going to still use my boots of leaping. I'm just going to upgrade a bit. Just add that. My infinity glasses, my armor, my boss star, my program icon, my consecrate ring, and my invisibility ring. Okay, yep, this is me currently. Okay, so now let's continue. So now I click play. Goal, collect all the gems. Okay. When you use move, see, now this is one disadvantage of move. Okay. You need to write extra stuff with move. You need to keep you need to have to keep the curly brackets, and you have to go X. So what would you do with build or with command? You'll have to move there. Or of course you could ask him to just move over here at the same time, but he will go this way, automatically setting off the trap. So as I say, we have to exactly go to the X's, or if we keep it over here, he will just walk through the trap and he will get caught. Okay, but enough of that. Let's get on to the main thing. Okay, as I told, disadvantage. There are 2 ways you can do this. One this way, which is still long. Second one, this challenges the thing about what I said. So you have to define pose first, then you copy all this. Okay, this is also brings up one thing. If you want to make a pose and use it a lot, just do this, and then you have the curly brackets, or else this won't work properly. You'll still get an error. Yep, if you want to call this as a function, you need to have parentheses. Okay, so you have the parentheses, and all the next thing you can do is pose. Now you're giving pose.pose, because since this is already a... Okay, I'm just going to stop saying pose. So no need of writing pose.pose. Since this is already a position, you don't need to write pose.pose. If this was something as an item, if you just write here to move item, it won't take it, because item is a thing. You can't just move to a thing. You can, but in CodeCombat, it's just something. You can't move to a thing, you need to have its pose to move to it. That's why you keep item.pose. takes the property of that item. So this is one way you can do it. I shall get a success. This is one way you can do it. Or this is one way you could do it. And just one thing, you could also use the hero pose.x and y to help yourself navigate, like I did over here. If it's pose.x is less than 20, and you can just open your stats. Okay, look, his pose is less than 20. Okay, his pose is less than 25. Now it's less than 30. Now it's less than 35. Now it's less than 40. So when they coded it, the guys who created CodeCombat, they coded it exactly. So each time you move, you will cover 5 distance. So you can see we start over here, 15, 25. We come over here, 20, 35. Same thing. 25, 30, 35, 40, so on. Okay. In some places, moveXY can come handy, but in some places also, in some places, Move can come in handy. And if you take the pros and the cons, Move is actually very good. Except for this one disadvantage. And it's not like you're only supposed to use only Move or only moveXY. You can use both of them. So it's like a win-win situation. But some levels, if you wanted to understand the concept, for example, this level wants us to understand Move. Okay, so if we go like moveXY right now, and next then we'll click 20, and then click 25. Okay. Next thing, put this as a comment. If you run, see, it's not gonna allow hero moveXY. You might go like, what is wrong with my code? And you might go like, this game's stupid. But this is gonna want you to learn moveXY. You should sometimes read the comments. You should not use moveXY. They just abandoned it. Even if you wear moveXY boots, they won't allow it. So now you click run. Oh, and I forgot to take out the comment. Okay. So now if you run, it only allows move. Okay. Yes, guys. So just one thing. The Giants Gate now open to play, and I might not post videos that frequently because school has started. Okay, yeah. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. And this is Connie with Gautam, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Enjoy your long weekend, and also happy Labor Day. Just give me a sec. Okay, and happy Labor Day. Enjoy your long weekend.